Hello class. In previous lessons I have shown you how to get your slope, which is represented by the variable m, and your y-intercept, which is represented by the b, by doing the difference in y divided by the difference in x. So here they did the same thing and they derived that m, which is their slope, it being equal to 1/2 and b to -1. Okay, and they wrote their equation as y equal 1/2 x minus 1. But now today I'm going to show you how to use a calculator to get the same answer for a table without going through the entire process. Okay, if you look at your calculator right here in the center, it's got a green table. So you click on that green table, and then up here where it says A, you're going to type X. Where it says B, you type Y. Now, this table has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different order pairs, but I'm only going to use the first two. Okay, I can also use the last two. It really doesn't matter, but as long as you use two of them, you should be able to get an answer. So then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to type my first value for x, which is 6, and my first value for y, which is 2, second value for x, which is 7, and my second value for y, which is 2.5. Okay, then once you type in your values, you type away from the values, then you go back to menu, number 4, statistics, and then number 1, statistics calculation. Now that will bring you to this screen right here, and you're going to select number 3, which is linear regression. Click on that. You're going to clear this box right here, and you put X in place of X list and then Y. Scroll down to the bottom, click OK, and there you go. See, M is 1/2, which is 0.5, and B is -1, which is exactly the same thing they have over on this equation. Okay, well, let's try another one just to make sure that we get some practice. Okay, I'm going to clear that out. And then I'm going to see right over here. Over here. Okay. Right there. I'm going to pause it right there. Here's another table. They went ahead and worked it the same way. They did the difference in y divided by the difference in x. And they came up with y is equal to 10x minus 4. Okay. Which m, which is your slope, is 10. And b, which is your y-intercept, is -4. Now I'm going to go over here to my table. Okay. Again, under A, I'm going to put X. Under B, I'm going to put Y. And then instead of selecting the first two on this one, because it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 order pairs, I'm going to select the last two just to show you that it doesn't matter which two you select, you still get the difference. So I have 15 and 146, and then I have 20 and 196. Click away from the boxes, then I go back to menu, click on menu, 4, which is statistics, 1, stats calculations, and then 3, linear regression. Again, clear that out, make sure you put an X, and then right below, put a Y. Scroll down to the bottom, click OK, and there you go. See, M is 10, and B is -4, which is exactly the same values they have over here. Okay. If you have issues with it, try and practice as much as you can. Write down draw the table on your paper. Go through the steps and work on it until you get it. Okay, and we will be practicing more. This video will be made available to you so you can review it as many times as you like. Okay, thank you.